This is a new CLI AI that is actually silently good. No one is even talking about it, and I thought I should talk about it. Now, if you're asking what is Octo, well, Octo is a small, helpful coding assistant, an open source AI that runs in your CLI that is actually good at assisting you with code. Coding assistant that works with any OpenAI compatible or Anthropic compatible LLM APIs. And it allows you to switch models at will mid-conversation when a particular model gets stuck. What that means is you are using a certain model and it gets stuck. Maybe it's failing to proceed, maybe it forgets, or maybe something like that. You can actually switch to a different model which is going to carry on from a previous conversation, and it's not going to lose context of what you were doing. That is very powerful if you're asking me. It can optionally use ML models which are custom trained, open source, like these two here, to automatically handle call and code edit failures from the main coding models you are working with. These are its capabilities. The auto fix models work with any coding LLM. Octo wants to help you because Octo is your friend. That's why it's called Octofriend. You understand? So Octo works great with the GPT-5, Claude 4, GLM 4.5. This is pretty good. It's very powerful. And also Kimi K2. It can correctly handle multi-turn responses, especially with thinking models like GPT-5 and also Claude 4. Octo carefully manages thinking tokens to ensure it's always as smart as it can be. These are powerful features that big models fail to handle, fail to do. The owners of this open source, they think it's the best LLM tool out there at managing thinking tokens, and they're saying you feel how smart it is if you use it. Also, Octo has zero telemetry. They're saying Octo has also helped to write its own source code, which is insane. They're saying it's meant to be friendly, a little helper rather than a complexity hands-free author. This is funny because down here they also have the command to run it if you want to live dangerously. I don't know what that means. This is open source, which means anyone can actually use it, and you can copy it and do whatever you want with it. And for the sake of trying and installing it, if you want to install it, all you have to do is copy this, then come on your computer and open the terminal. Okay, so here you can just paste this in your terminal and press enter. And as you can see here, it's done. So to run this, we can come back here and copy this command here, just Octofriend. Type this in your terminal. Type this in your terminal to run it. And as you can see here, it says welcome to Octo. You don't seem to have a config file yet, so let's get you set up for the first time. Octo lets you choose the LLM that powers it. Currently our recommended day-to-day coding model to use with Octo is either GPT-5 or Claude 4 Sonnet. If you want more privacy, another great model is the GLM 4.5. This is powerful. And open source coding model you can use via Synthetic, a privacy focused interface company that run any OpenAI compatible end-based provider. So we're going to place enter here to begin our setup. Just press enter, and here they're giving you the optional enable Octo fix mode. So you can press enter, or you can actually just skip this and use the custom models. You can skip for now, it can be enabled later. What I want here is to actually enable it. Then here I can enter the environment variable to use Synthetic API key. When it comes to rules, Octo will look for instruction files named like so: octo.md, claude.md, agents.md. These are some of the names that it's going to look for, but mostly it just uses two, the Octo and the Claude. Then the third one is going to be ignored. If you have three instruction files, the third one is going to be ignored. It's going to look for number one Octo, the number two it's going to look for Claude or something like that. So Octo will search for the current directory for rules and every parent directory up until your home directory. All rule files will be merged. So if you want project-specific rules as well as general rules to apply anywhere, everywhere, you can add an octo.md to your project as well as a global octo.md in your home directory. If you don't want to clutter your home directory, you can also just add a global rules file in this directory here. Config octofriend/octo.md. Just add all the instructions in it. Now for connecting to MCPs, you can actually do it easily just following these rules down here. You can also use Octo with local LLMs. If you are a relatively advanced user, you might want to use Octo with a local LLM. Assuming you already have a local API LLM server set up like Olama or maybe olama.cpp, when adding a model, you can just make sure to select a custom model. Then it will prompt you for your API base. After that, it will prompt you for an environment variable to use. You can just use any credential and it's going to work, because they don't even care about that. If you want, you can edit the Octofriend config directory in this directory right here. Yeah, this is Octo. It's an open source, which is supposed to be your friend, hence the name Octofriend, which is very small but very powerful as a coding assistant. So you should try it out. The powerful thing about it, it works with different models. It doesn't just limit you to one. It can work with the OpenAI, ChatGPT 5, Claude 4 Sonnet, Claude 4.1, Kimi K2, or any model that you love. When Coda, anything that you think of. It's very powerful, it's very lightweight. So I want you to try it out and also tell me what you think about it. Do you think it's powerful, or do you think it's actually a flop? Tell me what you think about this open source coding assistant AI, CLI AI. Subscribe for more videos like this, like it, and share it with other people. It might help.